Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're gonna learn how to make money online. Crazy amount of money, $100 per day, and you can make plus $100 if you focus on this video. So before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you wanna make money online and be updated about the new tricks to make money online, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications for daily making money online videos. And today, this video was never done on YouTube. It's a crazy video. We'll learn how to make money with a crazy trick, so be sure to watch all the video so you don't miss a step. And if you miss the step, you're not gonna make money online. So guys, first of all, you're gonna type youtube.com. as you guys know, you're watching this video on YouTube. You're gonna type youtube.com, and you need to have an account. So you need to sign up. If you don't have a Google account, you need to have an account. Click here and sign in from your account. And most of you guys have an account right now. You go to gaming, and as you can see, this is the top live games. There's Free Fire, Call of Duty, FIFA 2022, Minecraft, Grand Theft Auto, and other games. So we're going to the number one trending is Free Fire right now. It's Free Fire that's trending. So we'll click here. We will see the top live videos of Free Fire. That's the top live videos here, and we're gonna get to the most live video with viewers. So we'll click here, and we are gonna copy this link. We need to at least watch 30 seconds of this video. So after you watch 30 seconds, you're gonna click here, copy, and boom, you go to a website called r76.com. r76, you're gonna earn money by copy and pasting links and sharing it to people. So this way makes people thousands and thousands of dollars. Here are payment proof. As you guys can see, payment proof. There's people making $19,000, $10,000, $22,000. Crazy amount of money, which is so much money. Imagine doing it and earning $19,000 per month on autopilot. So you're gonna paste your link, and when you shorten your link, you are gonna earn money. But first of all, you need to have an account. So guys, as I told you, there will be a sign up button right here, but right now, because I'm signed in my account, so there's no. Anyways guys, you're gonna sign up and do an account right here, and you're gonna get to the dashboard. Right now, this is a brand new account for you guys to show you the tricks and how you're gonna earn the money. You're gonna click new shorten link. You're gonna click paste the URL, shorten, and boom, we take this copied link that we copied from that live video, and we're gonna paste it right here. So as we get the link, as I showed you guys the payment, you can earn $19,000 by this method. And stick around for a crazy tip. You go to a website called Steam Community. Steam Community is actually where people talk with each other, open conversations. So let's say this game is called Free Fire. You're gonna search for Free Fire. So guys, we search for Free Fire, and you're gonna say, hey guys, that game is awesome, watch this new live video about the Free Fire game. You can type anyone and paste your link. But first of all guys, you need to have an account. So for the people still watching this video right now, here is a free trick that I never shared before. I'm sharing it because you want to make money online, and by this trick you're gonna make a lot more of money from the other guys because you're watching the video till now. So you'll go and to mood.us. that's the name of the website, mood.us. so you're gonna search here Free Fire. You're gonna search, boom, and here are people that you can ask, you can play with. And what we want to do is we wanna post a post. Like, let's say that, of course, the conversation will be Free Fire. Hey guys, I just saw this new live video about this Free Fire game. Or type anything and paste your URL so people can click your URL and you can make the money. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with everyone, share it with your friends to make money online. And comment below, are you a gamer or not? And if you are a gamer, tell me what game do you play. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.